Ekiosa Traders Association on Monday 22 January don collaborate with Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria do one peaceful we no go gree waka wey dey led by the Chairmo Ekiosa Traders Association Ago Anthony Uyi and Presido Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria Comrade Lucky Orukpe to go meet with Oredo Local Government Council Chairmo Dr. Tom Obaseki for Oredo Local Government Council Secretariat. The we no go gree waka na to put stop to one Madam Blackie wey dey bring people wey no be Osa born to dominate the Osa Market and say she dey also claim Ekiosa as her papa property when she heard the plans of Oredo Local Government and Edo State Government to rebuild Osa Market for Benin. Presido Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria Comrade Lucky Orukpe contact Oredo Local Government and Edo State Government for their plans to rebuild Osa Market and constitute Oredo Local Government Chairmo Dr. Tom Obaseki the reason for the protest and come present to Oga Tom Obaseki the list of the original market women wey dey Ekiosa and petition wey contain their complaint and needs.
We know, according to Constitution, local government, they are the owner of the market. One Blackie is claiming Ekiosa. We are not going to accept it. When Ekiosa bought 2019, all these traders that you are saying, they do palliative. In 2019, the traders, Kulu Temper, the traders try to do some palliative to make sure that they feed their children and their husband at home. But today, Oredo local government want to build a market. They have come to tell the chairman, thank you. They want to partner with the chairman. They are ready for the government to build a market. But we have a prayer. Number one, the rifle traders that were there where the market born will be the number one beneficiary. We will not allow any political traders to buy the market stocks and resell for our traders. That is why we take time to collate the names of the people that their goods and their shop, their names and number are here. We also have a petition, Mr. Chairman. The people that you are seeing here, they are the original trader in Ekiosa. We understand anytime Blackie mobilize people, he mobilize women that is not selling in Ekiosa. We will not accept it. We want you to deal with the Ekiosa traders. We know you as a responsible chairman. Before you become a chairman, sir, you have a track record. Prayer number two, sir. As they are building the market, all of them need a place where they will use for temporary. Immediately they finish the market, they will do business direct with Oredo. Can I expose them? Can I expose them? Mr. Chairman, when you go to New Benin Market today, when you go to Agbado, Ekiosa, Oredo is collecting peanut. Why these political leaders are collecting 300,000 on yearly basis? If you don't carry groundnut oil, bag of rice, canoe soap carton, they sell the shop to another person. We don't want it to happen in Ekiosa. We want you to help the poor. As you can see, these are the talakawas. These are the women that is taking care of their children. We have only two prayers, Mr. Chairman. We will join you to progress in that market. They will join you to partner in that market. Secondly, sir,
Chairmo Oredo Local Government Council Dr. Tom Obaseki for in response contact say dem not get any problem sake of say na dem vote for them and come also give them assurance say dem go give top priority to people wey first dey sell for the market if dem build the market finish. A constituent say anybody wey want any space for any of the market go be for free and if anybody come to collect money from them make dem report the person.
Una don't get any problem.
Thank you, sir.
Una vote for us. So we not go do anything wey go pain una. Una agree say una need a good place to trade. That is why we are building Ekiosa. So I don't see the other song with it. So I'll make a big cover for this song. One, I'm assuring you today that every original allotee, every person that is trading will get his shop back. First priority. That is, if you have been there, you will nothing like saying it will be a reallocation to new people. So it's the traders that are there that will get the allocation. Then secondly, to make the construction fast, we are giving Ekiosa to two contractors. One is building the open store, while the other one is building the lock-up session. so that they'll build them fast. But meanwhile, we have identified location. Even yesterday, I went around Ogiso Market and other markets. We have spaces there. And I'm telling you that for now, anybody that wants any space in any of these markets, we get temporary allocation for free. You are not paying a kobo. Any of these markets. So if you go any of these places, if you go to any of these places and anybody is trying to collect money from you, please don't pay money to anybody. The allocation, temporary allocation is free while the building is going on. Immediately the building is completed, everybody will come back to Ekiosa. So to facilitate that, I want you to nominate some of your leadership. If it's about 2 to 4 people that will work with the department and the council to make sure, say, there's a smooth temporary settlement of people so that the whole work can move smoothly. So what I want to appeal for is for all of us to cooperate with the construction work. Once we cooperate, we'll be able to achieve the construction very, very fast. By Monday next week, the construction work will start.
Chairmo Ekiosa Traders Association Ago Anthony Uyi Konyam Ogatom Obaseki say those where they claim Ekiosa Market na no Ekiosa people and say them also need temporary place for their business before they finish the building of the market.
We are still begging on behalf of Ekiosa people, Ekiosa traders. Those political traders call themselves Ekiosa women. They are not Ekiosa women. Ask them to go and show you their shop in Ekiosa. They don't have shop. Then the last time, they said some of them came to meet you, to have a meeting with you. Where are they now? If they have a shop in Ekiosa. Palliative you said you want to do for the Ekiosa. Before now, the former Oredo local government chairman, we met with him. We went to those markets. Those markets were not in good shape. To God Almighty, we went to 4 markets then. The former Oredo local government chairman. So those markets decide that we should move into. It's not a good shape, sir.
For the petition, it states say for 22 December 2019, when Ekiosa catch fire, goods and properties wey worth hundreds of millions of naira burn, wey can leave traders for pains, sorrow and tears. Now this one can make Edo State government and already local government can promise to rebuild the market, but can delay for 3.5 years. Wey can make the traders decide to build the store by themselves so that rain and sun no go destroy their goods and make tiffy people not carry their goods run. Oredo local government come claim the stores and the market people can still dey pay tax. Now this one can make Ekiosa traders and Traders Welfare Union they beg Edo State government and Oredo local government to rethink their request for traders to quit the market premises. Sake of say traders go need alternative market space to sell their goods, and say if traders go need to move from Ekiosa to the alternative place, they need to fence the alternative market, provide borehole water, provide toilet facilities, provide market security, and also provide firefighting equipment. Chairmo Oredo Local Government Council Dr. Tom Obaseki, President Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, Comrade Lucky Orukpe, and other market women for their talk with our Tori people come here and say
they came here with a letter, and the letter clearly stated that they all unanimously support the rebuilding of Ekiosa Market. So for me, it was a solidarity visit, and I can say categorically that everybody, every stakeholder is now on board, and we're all speaking one voice, which is we must rebuild Ekiosa Market. The little issues about relocation we will tidy up, and we have assured everybody that everybody will be relocated on a temporary basis, and the allocation is temporary and it will be 100% free. That's the allocation, anywhere they choose to. So we'll put everything in place to make sure that everybody is well accommodated during this period that the construction will be taking place.
We all know that the local governments, they are the owners of our market according to our constitution. And they are ready to build Ekiosa. And we also have political traders warming up to hijack the shops. So what we just do in 2019, when they lost their goods to that fire incident, the people single-handedly built the market, and they were still paying taxes to the local government. Now that the local government want to build the market, is a plus. The traders want to partner with the local government so that they can do business together, not political traders again. As we speak very just now, some persons, like Madam Blackie person, is claiming that it's his father's land. Market belongs to local government. We are learning traders, and we know that market belongs to the local government. So the Ekiosa Traders, we are here for 2 prayers. First, the traders that is there will be the #1 beneficiary when they are locating these shops at. Secondly, where they will stay while they are building the market, the local government is going to provide it and take responsibility of that, because we are also ready to be paying our taxes to the local government. We want to thank the press, we want to thank the local government, most especially Honorable Tom Obaseki, that have come to discuss with the traders today to make progress. We are satisfied with the meeting. We will leave here now to go and look for a place that will fit the traders to do their business.
The local government chairman has assured us that by the time the market is built, we, the traders, the legal traders, will be the first to, be allocated those shops. And then he also said that he will look for a place where it will be convenient for us to be, doing our business pending when the market will be built. And we are not supposed to also pay any, dime. He also said that he will make sure that wherever they are locating us to will be well, arranged, organized, and maybe probably also give us security to, help us out. So I think we're okay.
The reason why I come out, when me and my people come out, Oredo Chairmo say he want build Ekiosa. After 4 years where the market is born, where we don't make structure to try to be inside the market to survive because of the country where we dey. We no fit depend for person, make person give us food, make we eat. Now, we the trader don't come out now say, we don't support Oredo, make he build the market. But before he stay, he want build the market, he go find where he want put us, because he knows fit for stress us for streets. We were there inside the market, some of them be widow, some of them be orphan, some of them not even get where they go again. We not get location. Oredo Chairmo, he go make sure say all of us, he go put us for one place. He go see and now say he don't carry all of us go one place. See where he put us. Where he put us, everybody go still know say we don't move go that side, they will come they buy from us. And after he don't do and finish the time wey he say he wanted do am, he go carry us go our shed back. Not be the one where they will come give political hijackers. Make the hijacker finish, they will come the seller for the common man who not come fit buy shed again, he go house. Now the reason why we come out today, now be that.
Make another forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.